This is how you find and use Natural Reader. You need to come to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen where the white type search here box is. You will start to type in Natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L. You will see the Natural Reader 16 app. You can double click on that to open it. It will take a minute or two for it to load the first time you're using it. Please be patient as it loads. There are a couple different ways that you can use Natural Reader. As it shows you here, you can drag and drop files or type and paste text here. You can also highlight text and have it read that to you. I want to show you. Here's where you can copy and paste text. Come up here and upload a file. And here's how you play or pause it. Here's where you choose your voice. There's a male voice and a female voice. You can also choose the speed that it will read the text to you. If you come over to the More drop-down menu, it will show you previous documents that you have listened to. It gives you settings. You can find Mini Board. When you click on Mini Board, it will make the box or the window of Natural Reader smaller. This will allow you to select text and have it read it to you. For example, if I was getting ready to take an assessment in Horizon, I could come to that assessment, I could highlight the text and hit play.
This assessment should be taken without the use of a calculator.
So as you can hear, I have the male voice. He is speed 1. If that speed is too fast or too slow, you come over to the settings. It looks like a little gear, and you can choose the speed that you want. If you want it to be slower, you hit the minus button. If you want it to be faster, you hit the plus button. Then you hit the settings again to close that. When I hit the next button and it brings me to the next question, I highlight just the text that I want it to read to me, and I hit play again.
Katie found 24 pennies on the ground. What is 24 rounded to the nearest 10?
If you want it to play again, you just hit play again.
Katie found 20.
When you're ready for it to read the next text, you just highlight. Now, let me show you. If you highlight all of the answers, it will say the answer choices, and it will also read strike reset. It reads everything that is highlighted.
20 strike reset B, 24 strike reset C, 25 strike reset D, 30 strike reset.
So it is best to just highlight one answer at a time, one answer choice at a time.
20.
So that you can be sure that you hear the correct answer choices for you to choose from.
24. 25. 30.
And then you can, once you've heard all your answer options, you can choose which one you think is correct. When you're done using Natural Reader, All you need to do is hit the X and it will close it out. To get to Natural Reader again, you can search for Natural Reader. One thing that might be helpful is if you right click on Natural Reader, or if you see over here, it gives you options, you can pin this to your taskbar or to your start menu. Pinning to your taskbar is going to pin down here where your other applications are. This is your taskbar. To pin it to your start menu means that when you come to your start, Natural Reader will be there. These are two great options to allow you to access Natural Reader faster.